Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Randy back with another fragrance video, and I did not expect to be doing a video today. I was out at Macy's with my daughter looking for Dior Homme Sport at Macy's again, and I was in line, and to my surprise, I was looking up and just looking at all the fragrances that were there, and up in the shelf there was the Most Wanted Parfum. And so this is a 2022 release. From what I heard up until today, and I was looking every single day, was that it was only released right now in Germany and that it was coming to the United States and other parts of Europe soon. And again, little did I know that it was just going to be sitting there on the shelf. They don't have it on Macy's website, they don't have it on eBay, they don't have it anywhere. So I'm going to be doing my first impressions video here. I know this is a little bit different of a setup than my normal, but it was kind of like a spur of the moment thing, and I was really excited to get to this because this is part of the Wanted line. This is the original Wanted. Then we have Wanted by Night, which is a great fall fragrance. Then we have the Most Wanted, and this is the Eau de Parfum Intense. And then there's Wanted Tonic in there, but I don't have that with me right now. So again, this is the unboxing of Azzaro's The Most Wanted Parfum.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at the presentation here. It's very similar to the other Azzaro Wanted boxes. It has the Azzaro, the Most Wanted. It has real small parfum. Then it says Azzaro. It's a 3.38 or 100 milliliter bottle. Nothing really else on the box. You have the revolver type on the top, and then it's on the bottom you have the batch code, which is ABUD1E6. I'm really excited to get this opened here. Wow, so look at this. So if you guys are familiar with the Azzaro Wanted line, the top here has the matte black of the Most Wanted, and the bottom, it's a little bit darker of an amber, but it's very similar to Wanted by Night. So I'm really hoping that this is kind of like a mixture between the two. So as far as the bottle's concerned, yes, you have that, and then it looks like a revolver on the top. Very, very nice, sleek bottles. I really like these. This is probably my favorite designer line. So without further ado, let's get this sprayed on here. Really nice atomizer. Seems like it was primed a little bit there. Oh my gosh. Okay. So while I let that digest for a second, this is marketed as a sweet and woody fragrance from L'Oreal. Again, the brand is Azzaro, the designer is Azzaro. As far as the note breakdown, they only give you 3 notes, which they've been doing a lot lately. I don't know if I really like that, but I do understand it. They don't want to have it stolen by clone companies because they are a very unique, this line especially is very unique in the designer world, and so I do understand that. But the 3 notes that they give you here, the top note is red ginger, the mid note is woody notes, and the base notes are bourbon vanilla. So, oh my goodness, this is I'm at a loss for words. This is probably my favorite cologne. I mean, this is probably my favorite fragrance. So, right in the top, it's very, very, very similar to the Most Wanted. So the Most Wanted Eau de Parfum Intense gives you that sweetness, that toffee, that gourmand take, and you definitely get that here. But there's one major difference, is a little bit fresher, and you get some woods in there. So very similar to Wanted by Night, where you get that, I think it's amberwood or sandalwood, and you definitely get that woods in here, and especially in the top. I'm getting that ginger. I'm not sure if I'm getting toffee here. It's a very similar sweetness than what you get with the Azzaro Most Wanted. I think it might be that bourbon vanilla, but I'm not sensing any bourbon here as of yet. But if I actually had to give you a very summarized breakdown of what I smell right off the opening, it is the Most Wanted mixed with Wanted by Night. It's pretty much exactly what I was hoping for. If I would to say when is this marketed towards, it's marketed for all year round, just like the Most Wanted. You can do it's mostly nighttime, but for me, it's more of a signature type scent, something that you can wear daytime, nighttime, but I would usually wear it. It'd be a perfect date night or going out type fragrance. It's not work safe for sure. It has the gourmand aspects in there. As a parfum, I can already smell. It has a little bit better of a projection just as of now off my wrist, more than the Eau de Parfum Intense of the Most Wanted, which already has a great projection. So I'm really interested to see what the performance is like in this, but right now off the top, it's a little bit stronger, but not too strong off the skin. And I gotta say, so far 2022, this is definitely my favorite fragrance and a great follow-up in this line. So again, here in my first impressions, I can tell you right off the top, you do get some of that red ginger, but for the most part, what you're getting is sweetness. And I'm guessing it is from toffee, even though it's not in the note breakdown, even though bourbon vanilla is in the base. And I don't feel like this is a bourbon vanilla off the top because it's very similar to the toffee note in the Most Wanted. The vanilla, I know I have Armani Code Absolute, I have Spice Bomb, I have Spice Bomb Extreme. It doesn't really give me a resemblance to the vanilla in those. So as of right now, I'm gonna say that what I get off the top really is that toffee from the Most Wanted, mixed with some woods that give it that freshness, that give it that aromatics. It's a great, I almost get a little bit of smoke here, so I wonder if there's some kind of incense or something in it. But this is a fantastic fragrance. It's a great release. It's a very unique to the line. Even though it's building off other fragrances in the line, it's still going and doing something itself. It's a fantastic fragrance so far. So as my first impressions, I am blown away. I am so glad. This is one of the only fragrances that I told myself I was gonna blind buy, and I'm so fucking glad that I did, because it is absolutely amazing fragrance, and it is totally on par with the way that this line has been going. Probably my favorite designer fragrance line. It is absolutely amazing. So again, I'm going to show you this. It's Azzaro's Most Wanted Parfum. I'm going to wait a few days, wear this on my skin, and I will be back to give you guys a full performance breakdown. But I'm going to claim it now. This is the best release of 2022 so far, and I'm guessing it's probably going to be the best release of 2022 altogether. Absolutely fantastic fragrance. Sweet, woody, fresh, a little bit smoky, nice. You even get a little bit of that bourbon. It's still coming in right now, and it's still absolutely amazing. I'm about, what, 10 minutes in. So definitely at least try this out. Again, I found it at Macy's, so if they don't have it out to test, at least go to try it out, especially right now because they have 2 more days left and the 15% off. So I got this for about 80 bucks. Fantastic fragrance, so go and try it out. Azzaro's the Most Wanted Parfum. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, comment if you have any other questions. And again, I'll be back in a few days with a performance video and a full all-around reaction. You guys have a great night, and thanks again.